Dreaming of that perfect Airbnb getaway, but your wallet's saying not yet? Well, get ready to pack your bags, because today I'm showing you how to unlock flexible payments and book your Airbnb stay using Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later service. First things first, find that amazing Airbnb you've been eyeing on the Airbnb app or website. Browse through listings, check out the amenities, and make sure it's the perfect fit for your travel needs. Once you've chosen your Airbnb, proceed to the booking page like you normally would. Pay close attention to the total cost, including any fees or taxes. Now, here's the catch. Airbnb doesn't directly integrate with Klarna as a payment option, but don't worry. We have domain workarounds. The easiest method is to use Klarna Card. Klarna offers a virtual and physical Visa debit card that acts like a credit card. You can use the Klarna Card just like any other debit or credit card to pay for your Airbnb booking. The benefit is once you pay with the Klarna Card, you can then select one of Klarna's payment plans, breaking the Airbnb cost into manageable chunks. The second method is to book through an online travel agency that uses Klarna as one of its providers. Check out sites like Expedia or Booking.com when you find the same property you would have selected for Airbnb. You might get lucky and be able to use Klarna as one of the payment options to finance your stay. That's it. Congratulations! You've successfully booked your Airbnb using Klarna, unlocking those flexible payment options so you can focus on planning the fun parts, like what to pack. Just remember to manage your Klarna payments responsibly, and happy travels!